Two local doctors accused of selling painkiller prescriptions for cash. Federal agents say two separate schemes led to a flood of doses of powerful pills flowing through Maryland streets. WJZ is live along Falls Road, where one of the doctors has an office, and Ritter breaks down this shocking case. Rick?
Well, Denise, the indictment says the two doctors flooded the streets with painkillers from Harford County to here in Baltimore, where the one office was described as out of control. People waiting in line for hours, sometimes at 3 o'clock in the morning, to get their hands on painkillers.
Authorities say the inside of this office was known as a hotspot for drugs, which spiraled out of control and flooded the streets with thousands of doses of oxycodone.
These are outrageous cases.
The indictment is centered around Dr. Kofi Shaw-Taylor, who authorities say ran a pill mill out of this suite along Falls Road. Since 2015, they say the pain doctor gave out 280,000 doses of oxycodone, even if patients tested positive for illicit drugs. Patients paid for visits in cash, sometimes as high as $500.
This is an epidemic at proportionate level, high proportionate levels.
The doctor and his co-defendants also accused of submitting more than $100,000 in fraudulent Medicaid claims. His office was raided in April, and Shaw-Taylor lost his license in June.
I noticed that there was a lot of people and they were there late at night, because I actually do work right at the Carroll Fuel.
According to the indictment, some of Shaw-Taylor's patients drove hours just to see the prescriber. One patient drove close to 300 miles from Ohio.
Increasing addictions, broken lives, overdose deaths.
Meanwhile, Hassan Babaturk, a licensed medical doctor at the time, is accused of distributing oxycodone and even fentanyl, an operation that was allegedly conducted out of his vehicle in Harford County. Two separate schemes authorities believe played a key role in the surge of overdoses Maryland has seen in recent years.
And this is a clear indication that people have died as a result of this practice.
And authorities say Shaw-Taylor ran another operation out of Glen Burnie. He now faces 300 counts of drug offenses. Denise.
All right, thank you, Rick. The number of opioid-related deaths have nearly quadrupled since 2010.